Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new Pen Pal with Me video. So I'm so excited to start off with this craft envelope that I made, and I'm going to be adding pretty memo pads that I had in my collection that really go with the color and theme I'm going for, which is black pink. This letter is from my good friend Charlotte. She just started posting on her YouTube channel, and she always posts pen pal related content on her Instagram, and she's always looking for new pen pals. So I highly recommend you go follow her. I'm actually making a My Melody theme letter, but it's a twist because I'm using this girl sticker that I think really resembles My Melody the most. So I bubble letter Charlotte's name for this theme with a color pencil, but her name is super long, which I didn't take into account. I was really lucky this time and that her whole name fit. So I'm pulling out my sticker book that I think would go well with this envelope, and it's My Melody theme. I thought this looks super adorable with all the hearts that matches the memo pad, and now I'm just layering like smaller stickers to give it more color and just that makes it more pretty. Charlotte really loves Sanrio themed stationery, and I wanted to surprise her and make this like My Melody theme. She always gifting me Sanrio stationery, so this time I wanted to give her something as well. Like, she's a huge fan, and I just really hope she likes this envelope. Now I'm using the sticker book again, where I got the girl sticker from, and just adding the extra stickers that matches her. There's no particular order. I wanted to cover the craft envelope as much as possible. I hate when it looks a little too plain. I like when it looks really chaotic and just messy, but in a good way, if you know what I mean. Like, when it comes to pen pal letters, I'm trying to set myself on a budget and not go over that, because these pen pal letters can get really expensive, especially since stamps are now 73 cents a piece, and the starting point to send off a letter is $1.50, plus the weight and the shape of the envelope and where it's going, it adds up. So I want to make sure all my pen pal letters are at least $3 and less as I can help it. Usually I wouldn't care about the price, but I actually want to stay on a budget and keep to it. I used up all of my stamps, and I always buy a booklet, but now I have to go and buy some more. So yeah, the envelope is done and it looks so good. I love the color scheme. I just love everything that I did with this one. I try to add like extra sparkles and details with a white gel pen, but sadly my gel pens ran out or just dried up, so I got frustrated and I just stopped. It's fine the way it is. I love how this looks, but let me know what you think. So let's decorate this letter together. I'm trying to keep it really minimal because I don't want this letter to be too heavy. I want to be able to write as much as I can without taking up too much space with all the decorations. I like to decorate my envelope first, then decorate my letters to get a better idea and a bigger layout on how I want everything. If I decorate my letter first, I'm like really confused and I'm definitely not going to be happy, so I like decorating my envelopes first. When you do a pen pal letter, what do you like to decorate first, the letter or the envelope? Me, I just love decorating the envelope first because I get to use as much stationery as I can. don't feel like lettering Charlotte's name, so I'm using these letter stickers because the font is really pretty and it matches the My Melody washi tape, and you can never go wrong with a bunch of letter stickers. They come in handy with a lot of things, especially journaling, labeling, anything you could think of that you need to read. So now I'm finished decorating the letter, and now I'm gonna write it off camera. So let's make a DIY folder out of this paper scrap I found in my collection. I'm trying to see if it fits the envelope perfectly so I don't have to cut anything. And I want to add a second pocket, so I'm gonna add this pink decorative paper. I use double-sided tape like on the two sides so I can place things in the middle, and it's gonna look really good. A simple like pocket folder. It's just easy to make. If you have glue or double-sided tape, it really doesn't matter. But I think it's a little plain and I want to decorate the front part a little bit. So this folder is starting to come together and it actually looks really good. I'm just measuring it out one more time to see if it fits, but I wish I made like a little opening in the middle to make it look more like a pocket, but it's too late now. I'm actually decorating the middle. I'm gonna reuse this plastic baggie that I received in my order, well, as a pocket for stickers, but it's gonna hide the decorations, so once Charlotte opens it, like takes out the stickers and see that it's decorated really cute. I think this is a really cool idea, and I'm using double-sided tape to attach it, and it looks really good. You can make a simple folder out of anything, and I'm gonna remake this again because this was fun. I use washi tape at the bottom to hold it in place, and this folder is done. I'm adding a playlist in this pen pal letter, and I'm adding answers and questions that I did. I decorated a little bit. Now it's time to pack all the stationery that I want to send off to Charlotte, and I just hostess put a smile on her face. It's actually really calming packing a pen pal letter for someone. I don't know, it makes my brain feels good after putting all this stationery together, and my desk is all messy with all the stickers and pins that I use. So this part is just a cool down period to like, oh, I'm actually done this letter. So I'm really happy how it turned out. And it looks really good. So let me know in the comments like what type of theme you want to see in the future, or what type of like pen pal letter should I do in the future. It really helped me out, especially like colors and stuff. Usually my themes are like food or just anime girl stickers and something kawaii. I'm not much of a vintage person, but I'm trying to get into the vintage aesthetic and make more vintage stationery, but my heart is always going to be into kawaii themed stuff. I just don't know what's wrong with me. I just love cute things. But let me know like which pen pal letter themes you would like to see. And lastly, I have my washi tape sample. and this is done. I'm going back in and just covering up the gel marks that I made with my color pencil, and everything is done and looks good. Now it's just time to pack up everything and to see if it fits into the envelope. I'm going to be sending Charlotte these pink Joy-Con covers since I know that she likes to decorate her Nintendo Switch, and I think it's a cool gift to send to your pen pal. I'm going to be sending her this face mask because it has Pikachu on the cover, and she told me that she really loves Pikachu. Even though the color doesn't match the theme, I think it's just a really sweet gift, and I hope that it makes her smile. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.